Hello guys, it's CreateTech with another tech tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about the different data types of Turing. So a data type is technically the type of information you want to store into a variable. A variable is something you need for the user to assign a value to. For example, for making a simple calculator, you're going to need the user to specify what number 1 is, if the user wants to multiply, add, divide, and you also need number 2. With this information, you could come to a result. So, in order to make a variable, for example, variable number 1, which the user assigns, and let's say it's an integer, which is any number that's not a decimal number. Let's say, so this right here is, we're declaring number 1. Number 1's an identifier, and int is the data type. There are only 5 data types in Turing. The first one is real, then it's int, actually this should not be capital. Then it's char, which stores a character, then it's boolean, which has the value true or false, and then it's string, which we went over last time. It's technically hello world, or any like other character. For example, pizza could be in a string. So those are the 5 data types, but when we're making a calculator, will we need a character? No. We will need a real, which is a digit or a number actually, which could have decimal places. So these are the 5 data types of Turing. We'll need to know about these data types in order to proceed and learn about variables. So now we're going to be talking about Turing variables. A variable is a stored location in RAM suitable for the storage of the specific data type. For example, number 1 var, I forgot the var, you need the keyword var number 1 real. The data type is real, so in memory it's only gonna have number 1, which is suitable for the holding of a real number. So if it's a string, the program's gonna collapse. We will learn how to trap program collapsion later on. So variables, and this is the, so I'm just gonna go over some keywords. This is the keyword, this is the identifier, and this is the data type. So you would need a variable in order to get information from the user. We will need information from the user to avoid the same program happening over again. Think about it. If you don't have any variables, you can have the same result, because you're always going to assign number 1 to be something like 3, and you can't change it unless you change it through your program, which is inefficient. So this is why we have to use variables. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Please subscribe, like, and comment.